Hey guys, it's Laura from Lightning Cosplay. Today I will show you how we made the glowing hoofs, which I made 9 months ago. I know it's quite long ago, but maybe you remember my Mac died and I lost most of the footage, which I made in February. And yeah, but now we made the tutorial again, just for you as a thank you gift for all the support we got from you this year. I could recover some of the old footage, and for this video now I used some of the old footage and some of the new one, so it's a mixture. I really hope it's understandable, and then let's start. This is a part which does all the magic. It's a pressure-sensitive conductive sheet. Of course, you also need a pair of wide hoof shoes. This is how I always make mine. You can find a detailed step-by-step tutorial in my phone book. We used a white wire because it's much easier to hide under the white leggings I'm going to wear. You need 3 wires for each shoe. The wires go from the shoe to the hip, where I have hidden all the electronics. Ralph drilled a hole into the sole and pulled through all the wires. He removed the insulation with this fancy wire stripper and twisted the wires with his fingers. Then it was time to add the LEDs. We used the Adafruit Mini Skinny NeoPixels. To the other end of the 3 wires we added a wire connector which will be connected to our power box, which will control the LED animation. The LED strip was just glued on with some hot glue. On the bottom half of the sole was enough space for the LEDs. The conductive sheet was added like a normal switch to the trinket. More about the power box is explained in our LED book for beginners. You can just cut the conductive sheet with a scissor. We made the sheet a bit thicker by folding it. The wires for the switch were added on both sides of the sheet and were just secured with tape. We connected the power box to our computer and uploaded the code Ralph prepared. Then we just had to connect the power box to the LED circuit. And of course added a battery. Just turn on the power box and ta-da! When you squeeze the conductive sheet, it reduces the resistance and just works like a switch. We just used double-sided tape to glue our magical switch into the shoes. And that's it! You can hide the wires under leggings, or you can cover your legs in fur. The next step for me now would be to hide the shoe with fabric and fur and create a full magical costume. Well, then this was my last video for this year, and I just want to thank you for your support I got over this year. It was just a lot of fun and I really enjoy making these videos, and we have already planned a lot of amazing stuff for next year, so then I wish you a happy new year and a guten Rutsch, as we say in Germany. So then, goodbye!